Hey fam, how y'all doing? Happy Wednesday. It's been a hot minute. I haven't actually felt like this was possible. I forgot that I used to just like record what I had to say and post it, and we would start conversations and we would start dialogue and just being interfacing with our thoughts and our conversations in this space. And I just want to tap back into the parts of me that are still here, that made it through 21, that are here for 22, and as well make space for the entirely new being that I'm becoming. Last year had so many lessons that have transitioned into wisdom that I'm actually in praxis of implementing into my life. And it's not easy. It's the furthest thing from easy, actually. So I think taking the space to return and just speak my truth, like this feeling of not feeling like I fit in after being gone for a bit over a year, feeling like Instagram and social media has shifted and boomed for so many people, such as especially business owners. Like certain people got this email on how to become a millionaire overnight, and I guess I was crying when I didn't get that email. But it's cool. We all are on different paths, and I myself am trying to remind myself and stand on that understanding of like I have my own path, I have my own destiny, and it's beautiful. It's the best plan. And I have to believe in that, and I have to trust in that, even if I may or may not have proof about it. But to just see my life as a testament to the miracles that God can provide me. And today I felt inclined to finally get dressed up, put on some lipstick, lay my edges, but I'll get these brows done later. You know, really remembering myself, though I am a brand new version of myself. How do I still relate and ground and center into the things that make me feel alive, that make me feel beautiful, that make me feel human, that make me feel like a creative being walking? And shout out to Sacred Blooming, who really offered me some direction during my reading with her at the end of last year. And we talked about the Empress card. And the Empress card shows up in my year where I have work to do in terms of my self-worth, my relationship to money, to possessions, to my heart space. And it was so ironic because as soon as 2022 came in, boom, I was hit with these lessons around reconstruction, rebuilding, and returning can be so intimidating, right? Like when you're gone for a while, you kind of don't really know where to fit in this new version of yourself in your, like, during the changes that were occurring in the world and social media in the time of your absence. So I want to hopefully remind myself by doing these videos about persistence, and that it's not about the algorithms, or it's not about just like the hype. Like, how do I remember who I am and remember how I even started and how I came up in this space, and how God brought me into so many different communities and so many different opportunities without 11K followers or without sponsorships, you know, God willing, right? These things are in the works. Inshallah, if they're the best for me, I accept them. Yeah, but just feeling like I want to bring back that real rawness, at least in my relationship to Instagram, my direct interaction with Instagram. I just want to return feeling like I could just be myself as I am in the moment, and give myself an excuse to put on some lipstick and talk to y'all, because honey girl needs some excuses, because being unvaccinated, being an entrepreneur, I need to get out more. So I'm just also working through the changes of our world, working through maintaining decisions that feel in alignment with my lived reality, and being open to shifting when that changes, right? When better has presented itself. So I'm just here to just remind us entrepreneurs, creatives, that we can do this. We can restart and we can come back, and it's gonna be okay. Like, I guess in a way it's just like, if you gotta take that break, take that break. Like, I don't know what's to come after this, but I am cultivating this energy such that it'll be beautiful. Again, I have no proof but my own life experiences, and inshallah, I'm praying that all my dreams are realized in this year, that all the things that I desire, all the things that I had to learn last year, may it be the guiding forces to get me the things that I want this year. And I want a lot, and it's so intimidating. I sometimes feel overwhelmed by how big I'm dreaming right now, and it's crazy, right? Because back in 2016, my dream was to be a whole poet, and God made it happen for me. So sometimes we just need to remember and to remain in that visceral gratitude of when we were blessed with the things that we asked for. So hopefully I could keep this up, you know, even if it's once a month. I am working on some projects that I can hopefully be present more often, but again, it's not my timeline, it's the creator's timeline. So I pray that things align and that I can show up more, because it's fun. This is what I want to be doing. This is what I would like to be, the ways in which I would like to be engaging, and that creativity, right? Like, I'm not just a poet, I'm a creative, and I want to explore and expand that. I want to stretch as far as possible with all the skills, talents, and gifts that I have to just live. Like, so may you find gratitude and ease in your Wednesday. And if you got this far, shout outs to you, and you know, see you in the next video. Bye.